Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over my stock picks for the week of January 31st through February the 4th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, let's dive right on into it. All right, guys, before we get into my stock picks for this week, we're going to talk about a recap of last week. First of all, I know I haven't posted in a few days. Like most of you know, I am a coach by profession. We had 6 games in 7 nights due to reschedules, but it was pretty crazy. But we went 5-1, and so we got some wins out of it at least. But I've been pretty busy during the night and during the day, so that's why I haven't made too many videos. But I got a good one for you today. So my picks last week were Tesla and IQST, and we'll take a look at those and see how they did for the week. So Tesla was down about 6.5% for the week. We did have a green day on Friday, which was kind of encouraging, that we shot up all the way back to $850. We got as low as $800, which is kind of a little concerning, but I did use it as an averaging down opportunity. IQST was up 31%. After an article came out saying that they're looking like they are on track to be listed to the NASDAQ in 2022. All right, guys, so my picks for this week are IQST, EEENF, and Hemp, ticker symbol HEMP. IQST, I do expect this run to continue, and I think that we're going to make a move back to $1. I don't know if it's going to be this week, but I do think that we're going to continue to move, even if we do have some type of pullback. I think that we're going to continue to get that momentum up to the upside. EEENF did have a pullback, and it's one to watch because over the next couple of weeks they should be announcing that they are beginning to spud their second well, which is going to be huge, and I think it's going to push the stock price a lot higher than what it is currently now. So I'm looking to, I did add a starter position, and I'm just going to kind of see how the stock acts this week, but I think we could see some movement, even if we have a little slight pullback, or it could come out shooting up first thing on Monday morning. I'm really not sure what to expect out of it, but I do think it's going to go higher. And then Hemp, guys, just hear me out on this one. Last year for National Hemp Day, I think shot up about 500%, and I don't know if it's going to do the same this week, but it's one to keep an eye on. National Hemp Day is coming up. I believe it's on February the 4th, on Friday. So I just kind of keep an eye on that. Last year, again, it went up a little over 500% within those few days, and of course it fell right back down. But just to let you know, this thing, I do have a considerable amount of shares, and I'm pretty excited to see if maybe it'll get some traction and move. I would just be really careful with it if you're going to get into it and you're not familiar with the stock and you don't want it as a long-term investment. Maybe just, you can put a little bit of money in, throw a stop loss in. That way you're not left bag holding if you're not all invested in the company. And then on the watch list is ZNOG for me. Are we going to continue to try to make a little bit movement to the upside, or are we just going to pull straight back down and test that 10.5-cent mark? We will see. It should be an interesting week for that. But let's go ahead, guys, and take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so looking at IQST, you see we bounced off of that 50-cent mark and shot straight up all the way to about 67.5 cents. Finished right at 67 on the day. We are close to overvalued. So if that happens and a pullback occurs, you're looking to maintain that level of support about 62 before making a move back to the upside. Your first level major of resistance now is 70 cents, then 78, and then 85.5, and of course that $1.05 mark. You want to kind of keep an eye on that. EEENF. And we're going to take a look at this. So EEENF, we did bounce off of that 2-cent, over 2-cent mark here on the support level 0.0272 a couple of times. So I want to watch and see, are we going to kind of consolidate around here before moving up? Or are we just going to come and shoot straight up? If we do, we got to get above 3 cents and hold. Then your next level up is about 3.5 and then 4 cents. But overall, guys, the chart is setting up for something nice. As you see here, spike up, pull back, spike up, pull back. It's making those nice little staircases that we like to see on an uptrend. So if it pops up above 3 cents and hits here at 3.5, you want to see it pop back down, hold support at 3, and then take off from there. So we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see what the future holds for us on that one there. And then hemp has been just chilling out here at 0.0016. Your overall ceiling at this time is 1 cent. Okay, so we can bust through and get to 1 cent. It'd have to be a really, really aggressive and massive move, but it's possible. I don't know. Again, I don't know if that's going to happen just based off of, hey, it's National Hemp Day, but it did last year. Okay, and overall, guys, this company has a lot of good things going for it. So even if it doesn't this week, eventually it's going to creep back up and get to that 1 cent mark, in my opinion. So ZNOG, we had a little spike up from undervalued. We're at fair value currently now at about 13 cents. Overall, we got to get above 17.5 to 18 cents to actually take it serious as far as an uptrend possibly occurring. And if it doesn't, then we're just going to continue probably to see some bleeding on the way down. So we'll have to kind of wait it out and see. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.